Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start now by verifying the physical link so you don't chase software ghosts. You'll reseat the cable, try a known good spare, and move to a different LAN port. This isolates hardware. Once done, power cycle your modem, router, and PC with a 1-minute pause between reboots so devices reset DHCP leases and firmware states. Make sure to log when drops happen and which LEDs blink. That timing will guide the deeper fixes you'll apply next. Now focus on the network adapter and agreement settings because most random drops come from mismatches. You'll update or, if recent problems started after an update, roll back the NIC driver using Device Manager and the vendor installer. Then force speed and duplex to match the switch or router, typically 1000 Mbps full duplex to avoid auto-negotiation flaps. Once done, validate DHCP, release and renew the IP, or switch to a reserved static address to eliminate lease or conflict-related disconnects. Finish with diagnostic captures and isolation so you can prove the cause. You'll run continuous ping and trace route while reproducing the drop to capture timing and packet loss metrics, save logs for analysis. If suspecting hardware, plug a USB to Ethernet adapter to confirm whether the onboard NIC is faulting. If problems persist, update router firmware, factory reset config as a last resort, or undo recent software changes. If still failing, key troubleshooting tip: swap to a different network device to confirm whether the issue is local or upstream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.